Hey everyone! Today I'm sharing a flip through of my completed Life Crafted album from 2021. This is volume 4, and this goes from August 2021 all the way through to the beginning of October. And the reason why I chose to include the rest of October in a separate album was because, number one, this album is extremely full. If you have a look, it's like kind of got that gaping alligator mouth going on there. And also because the middle of October we went to a trip to Vancouver, so that will be included in a separate album, and I'll do a flip through of that, of course, when I have that done. But I start all of my albums out with a clear transparency page, just to make sure none of the inks and other things from this page rub off on this clean cover here. And then I have my usual title page that I did for all of my 2021 albums. And that's just a composition notebook printable from Etsy. I'll put a link down in the description box below to that. I just print it out and kind of trim it down to a 5 by 8¼ inch size. And then for my label, I always stamp the LE Studio label stamp here, just in a coordinating ink color that matches the cover of my album. And then for the 2021 volume 4, I used one of my Hero Arts alphabet stamps. This is retired, but there is a very similar one from Citrus Twist that has kind of the same type of font, and I just thought I'd hold them here because I did have someone ask me about this stamp set, but unfortunately you can't get it anywhere else. But this one that's new from Citrus Twist is kind of a close match. It just has, the alphabets are slightly shorter, so let me see if I can get a ruler to measure. So the ones from the Hero Art set are just under ½ inch tall, and then this one here from Citrus Twist is just about 3/8 of an inch tall. So I do think this is quite comparable, and if I were to be continuing on with these little labels at the front of my albums, I would do the Citrus Twist one, but I've been doing title pages for my new albums for 2022, so you won't be seeing these labels anymore for this year's albums. In terms of process videos, I do have process videos for most of these spreads. So if you are looking for exactly what supplies I'm using, I will put the link to my Life Crafted album process videos in the description box below for you to check those out. And for the ones that don't have process videos, I'll make sure to try to mention what products I used as well. So I do start at the beginning of each month with a transparency from Ali Edwards. That is from the One Little Word collection from 2020, I believe. And I back that with a swatch card from Cocoa Daisy. Each month they have a swatch card in their planner add-on kits. So I made sure to pick up all of those, and I kept that consistent for all of the months here. And so these pocket pages are from Citrus Twist, and I just do like the one pocket page for the beginning of each month. And I don't think, I don't really use a lot of other pocket pages besides that. I think I do use one more pocket page, but otherwise, all of my other spreads are usually outside the page protector because I do like that interactive bits and pieces. So this page here, most of the pattern papers that you see, this tag, and all the embellishments are from Cocoa Daisy, but the wood veneer piece as well as the acrylic pieces are from Color Cast Design. This ribbon is also from Cocoa Daisy. This was their Orchard Road or Peach Ridge collection. I think it was Peach Ridge collection. That was for August 2021. And I do have a process video for this one here, just for the Color Cast Designs pieces. And I have an interactive flip up here that flips up to reveal more photos. This was documenting our anniversary dinner. And I think this sticker here was actually supposed to be stuck on here, but somehow in the process of me flipping through this album, it has gotten stuck on this page here, which I don't really mind. It still looks nice, so I think I'll just keep it there. And the pocket cards are all from Cocoa Daisy as well. This page here I don't have a process video for, but essentially I just stuck on some puffy alphabets from Cocoa Daisy for my title. This pattern paper is from Cocoa Daisy, and this card is from Cocoa Daisy as well. I've been using the clear sticker paper for all of my journaling on journaling cards, and I really like it. Like, you can't even really see that I have clear sticker paper there. And all of my dates I've stamped with this Heidi Swap roller date stamp. And unfortunately, it only goes up to 2021, and the one after that is a 20 and then a blank, which I don't really want to fill that out. So I have purchased another roller date stamp. It just doesn't have that nice cursive font that this one has, but I'll be using the new one for 2022. This page here, I do have a process video for. This was part of my Stretch Your Stamps series featuring background stamps. So for this one, I did a bit of white embossing on some mixed media papers, and I created a little flip out here. The background stamp is from Hero Arts, and then these embellishments are from Citrus Swiss Kits. And for this pattern paper here, I actually printed out one of my photos that I took on an enlarged scale, and I think that makes such a great background for this page. This one here was also part of my Stretch Your Stamps scrapbooking video series. This one was featuring bold or large sentiment stamps. So I was showing how I used the sentiment stamp here to make a background for my page, as well as how to layer them with smaller sentiment stamps. So make sure to check out my Stretch Your Stamps scrapbooking video series for more process videos as well. And these papers and the embellishments are from Paige Evans' Bungalow Lane collection. So Citrus Swiss did a kind of like an add-on pack where they had a bunch of elements and papers from Paige Evans' Bungalow Lane collection. And so I used some of that throughout this album as well. This page was also done in that same process video that I shared with the large sentiment stamps, and this was just sharing the kissing technique with my large sentiment stamps. Or that might have been the background stamps, actually, that video was part of. I'll leave the link in the eye above here to the link to the process video for this. But this was documenting my mom's birthday here, and I've just created a little pocket behind this photo with some more photo tags. This one here, again, elements from Cocoa Daisy. This was part of their September kit. I can't remember what kit that was, but if you go on the Cocoa Daisy website, sometimes they have the leftover kits on sale if you're interested in these pattern papers and these cards. But this spread was done for my acrylics focus class. My product focus acrylics pieces class up on Big Picture Classes. So I will leave a link to that as well if you'd like to find out more about that. This one here I do have a process video for, again, using the Bungalow Lane add-on kit from Citrus Swiss Kits. And the cards and pattern papers, as well as this nice blue cardstock, are all from that kit. This one here I also do have a process video for. I really loved the triangle pieces that were in one of the pattern papers that came in that Bungalow Lane collection. So I used that as a basis of my page here. And I do have a pocket here that slides out to reveal this cool insert that I created. And this is from using one of the transparencies that came in that kit. And I don't have anything on the back, but I think that looks really cute. And this is magnetized as well so that this keeps closed when my album is closed. This one here I did a process video for, and this was another Stretch Your Stamps video featuring digital stamps. So I used some digital stamps from Ali Edwards, as well as Ali Edwards and Laura Wanzik, to create this little tiered pocket here and this decorative strip here. And these embellishments are from Ali Edwards as well. And I just have some photos here as well as a journaling card. And another photo. These sheep, are they? Bighorn sheep, yes. Were walking right up next to our car when we were driving, so that was really, really cool. And this page, I don't think I have a process video for, but this was based on one of the sketch challenges from Citrus Twist Kits. So I do have a blog post for this up on the Citrus Twist Kits blog. And this was, again, using that Bungalow Lane collection. This one here I do have a process video for, and this is featuring some cut files as well as some embellishments from Citrus Twist. And the insert comes out, of course, to reveal some more photos. I really love these manila tags from Citrus Twist. They're just the perfect size for including in a Life Crafted album. And I love that manila color as well. For the month of October, I've only included in this album the photo spreads that I did featuring the photo shoot that we did with my family on October 9th. So all of these spreads are with those photos, and the rest of October is going to be in my second album. For this one here, I don't have a process video for most of these spreads, actually. This one doesn't have a process video, but pretty much I used a Canva template to put in a lot of my photos on this page. And then the Canva template just had like a word here that said love or something that I just deleted and put a puffy sticker on instead. This is from this sheet from Citrus Twist Kits. It is called Hello Sunshine Puffy Stickers, and this was from July of 2021 that they released this. As you can see, I've used up a whole bunch of those words on there. One here and one here. And I just kept things a bit simple just to showcase those photos that we took. Again, these cards are from Coco Daisy. The transparency is from Ali Edwards. This stamp is also from Ali Edwards. This is the Basic Prompts stamp. And some more photos there. This one I did have a process video for. This was featuring some cut files from Citrus Twist Kits as well as some embellishments, and the gold letters are from Citrus Twist as well. And then this page, as well as the page afterwards, I don't have process videos for, but I think I did do a blog post for this one. This was featuring the Fernwood collection from Vicky Booten, and Citrus Twist had an add-on kit featuring her papers as well, so I included a lot of those on this page. So pattern papers there. I did do some stitching detail as well. That was one of the first times I had tried using my sewing machine, and I made this cool little shaker pouch with some of the sequins that came in my Citrus Twist Kits box as well. I love how they always include these little sequins. And I also have some embellishments from Citrus Twist Kits and some more stitching detail there. Again, just kind of keeping the photos the main focus of my layout. This one was another spread featuring the Fernwood add-on kit from Citrus Twist. And these embellishments all came in that kit as well, including these little leaves from Citrus Twist that were an exclusive. And again, I kind of focused on the pattern papers for this spread. So one of the pattern papers that came in the kit had all these hexagons, so I decided to make my photos into hexagon shapes as well. And I did pop them up with little 3D foam squares so that they would kind of pop off the page. And that is it for this album. I hope you enjoyed that process, that flip through. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And make sure you give this a thumbs up and subscribe for more process videos. Thanks so much for watching.